In this video, we will try problems like this and this, in which we need to find the next three terms in the sequence. Let us look at the first problem. We are given 4 numbers in this list and we need to find the next 3 numbers. Notice any pattern here? Firstly, we can clearly see the numbers are increasing. So how about we check if there is any fixed number that is being added at each step to get the next number in the list. Calculating the difference between the second and the first number in this list, that will be 5 minus 2, which will give us 3. Similarly, the difference between the third and the second number in the list, that will be 10 minus 5, which will give us 5. Clearly, the difference is not equal, so the pattern we thought about won't really hold. So we need to think of something else. Closely observing these numbers will tell us that this number sequence is very similar to the sequence of squares. Notice that each element in this given sequence is actually one more than the corresponding square numbers. And with that, we have cracked the code. Now all we need to do is find enough square numbers in this sequence, which we already have here, add 1 to them to get the required 3 numbers like this. So our final sequence is 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37 and 50. Let's do another problem. Okay, we can immediately notice that these numbers are increasing very quickly now. Pause the video and see if you can crack the code this time. If we try to find differences just like we did last time, then we will again find out that the difference is not the same. Can we relate this to some other well-known number sequence again? Since the differences are much larger than the last problem, I guess it is safe to say that we need to think beyond square numbers this time. This number sequence might be very similar to the sequence of cubes. How about we try that? Notice that each element in this given sequence is actually one less than the corresponding cube numbers. Now all we need to do is subtract 1 from the next 3 numbers to get the required 3 numbers like this. So our final sequence is 0, 7, 26, 63, 124, 215 and 342.